Bhardwaj. I'm from Bhardwaj. I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Basveshwar Engineering College in 2023. Later, after completing my course, I worked in a startup for 6 months. So after working here, I felt I need to transfer my career. So I choose a PG program in data science and analytics from Imarticus Learning at the starting of the year 2024, where I successfully completed the course. At the end of the course, I got successfully placed at Action Ray. So currently, I'm working at Action Ray as a data analyst. Choosing data science program is actually a good decision which I have ever made because as I am from mechanical engineering background, data science actually suits me because of the mathematics background which I did in my engineering curriculum. As every now and then industry provides lots of data, so people are not aware what to do with this data. So we need the data scientist who can work with this data. Yeah, the program helped me in many ways. First of all, being from a non-IT background, converting my career into technology, it's been a really matter for me. And second is, before joining the program, I was completely unaware of these technologies like machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, NLP. So I came across all these latest technologies throughout my course. And third takeaway is while doing my internship, where I successfully got how to tackle a problem and how to think about a problem and how to solve a complex problem by dividing into its subparts. So these are my successful takeaways which I can implement in my future. Yeah, the curriculum of data science is actually built across the latest industry standards, and the trainers are also according to the industry standard. My experience with Imarticus Learning was truly awesome, where I got to learn about many technologies and where I successfully implemented these new technologies in many projects. I came across many technologies and did many projects, and I also participated in data science competitions and I won fifth prize. So due to these projects, these helped me in solving the real life industry problem. I will definitely recommend this course who are passionate about transferring their career into data science and analytics. So one can really join Imarticus for experiencing this.